The Supreme Court dismisses application against approval of new ministers. Last week, there were controversies between the legislature and the executive arm of government regarding to the LGBTQ plus bill sent to the president to assign, and the president said he won't sign. And later on, the president sent a letter to parliament restraining them from transmitting the bill. Now, for that reason, a member of parliament also filed an interlocutory injunction on the speaker not to proceed with the approval of new ministers. In Ghana here, whenever the president or the executive arm of government appoints ministers, they need to be vetted and approved through parliament. So for that reason, the speaker suspended the approval of the new ministers. So finally, the court sat on the decision today as a 5-member panel to dismiss the application against the approval of new ministers. And here are some of the reasons. One, the Supreme Court ruled that the case that the MP brought had no direct relevance to nominees who are currently before Parliament. Two, the MP did not accept some court demands or documents. This includes notice of hearing and the Attorney General's opposition to a temporary court order. And finally, the plaintiff, that's the MP, and his lawyer were not in court.
That persons will file processes before the court and then fail to take an interest in it. And indeed, even when the same application for interrogatory injunction spending has not been determined a day before, they proceed to go and file another application for interrogatory injunction. There cannot be a greater demonstration of a desire to abuse the court process than this. Clearly, it shows an attempt to frustrate the Republic from pursuing its business and all. And that is why it's necessary that as lawyers for the Republic, we take a keen interest in whatever happens and make sure that such things are dealt with so that the state business can proceed. On record in Parliament is a letter that I wrote